How to make a website live on Hostinger. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make a website live or go live into the web for the website. It is going to be a very easy process and also a quick procedure. So we are going to head over hostinger.com. Then we are going to head over the account of ours. So we are going to sign in and then we are going to see the H panel, which is going to be represented with this page. Now, once you are here, you're going to click on the left side of the screen on the button of websites. Click on websites list, and then you're going to see the list of the websites that you have. Basically, if the website is going to be live or it is going to be in order, you're going to click on any of these websites and you're going to see normally the button of update website instead of go live, as you can see like that. That means that this website is going to be already live. So we are going to create a new website to let you see or experience this procedure from the beginning. Now we are going to use, for example, a pre-made, as you can see here, a template. I'm going to use maybe this one or that one. So I think that I have used this. So we are going to use this. Click on template or select the template. Then you're going to see the template loading up. It is not going to take a lot of time from you, but it is going to be very efficient. Once the website has been loaded, you're going to see the go live button at the top. That means that this website is not live yet, but it is going to be on the construction steps. So all you need to do in here is going to head over to the website like that. Then you are going to modify all of the specific modification or customization or the personalization that you want to put in that specific website. Once you have did that, you are going basically to select the elements, edit them, make them yours, or put them specifically for your taste and add in different, for example, elements. Here you can go ahead and manage the pages. As you can see here, we have the pages for the menus and etc. Also, you can define the website styles that you're going to use from the scratch, and also you can get some AI helps from the tools that has been given from Hostinger. When you finish that, you're going to click on Go Live, just like that, and you're going to wait for the URL to be explained or determined into this specific area. As you can see, your site is live now. So you're going to click on view site and then you're going to get this temporary, as you can see, URL or domain from, of course, Hostinger. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Do not forget to set up everything for your website before heading over the go live. And in case you have forgot to set something or to mention something into your website, you can go ahead and modify it right away on the website by heading over the Hostinger website builder like that. You can, for example, if you have forgot something like an adding section, an about section, a service section in here, can go ahead and add it right away. Then you're going to click on update website instead of go live, and that is going to save up the personalization or the customization that you have put, and then you're going to see everything in order. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.